You guys, cause I'm out here in the middle of nowhere and I found a fucking helmet, but it's not a bike helmet. $5. You guys, cause I'm out here in the middle of nowhere and I found a fucking helmet, but it's not a bike helmet, it's a fucking stupid football helmet. Look. Should I take it? Oh. Nice. I'm not gonna take that, but I'll take this. No way there's money right here. What the fuck? Oh, I found money. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. That was insane. See, I knew I made a good thing stopping here. This is real, you guys. This is a real $5. Fuck yeah! I just found $5. Hell yeah! Just because of that, you can have this back on money. See, I knew I fucking saw something, you guys. I knew I saw something. No motorcycle helmet, but I found $5. Found $5. Hell yeah! Thank you, whatever the fuck. This is going straight to the wallet, hood. Thank you. Would have been better if it was $100 or a 50. But I'll take the 5, thank you. Note to self. Stop on the side of the road for shit like that now. Came over here looking for just that. Vlog boy, 5K, Kawasaki, coming at ya. Now we're cruising for the next hour, boys. $5 richer. That sounded weird.